Welcome to our deep dive into the biggest economic events shaking the United States right now, from Wall Street highs to warnings of recession. Today, we're exploring the 10 most searched economic stories in America, the stock market's roller coaster ride, inflation's impact on everyday life, and the Federal Reserve's latest moves. We'll break down what these mean for you, your wallet, and the future of the economy. Stay tuned as we navigate through the headlines, uncovering insights and expert opinions. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let's dive into the economic pulse of America. Ever wonder what all this really means for you? Stick around to the end for expert insight on what it all means and what you can do to stay informed and prepared. Step 1. Start with clean skin and a thin layer. We are hydrating, not marinating a steak. Step 2. Let it absorb for 30 seconds. Perfect time for overthinking all your life choices. Final step, massage it in like you actually care about your skin. Boom, instant glow, no effort required. Y'all see this? Use code SAVE20 for a nice discount, or keep struggling, your choice.
Let's begin with what's making the most noise. The U.S. economy has shrunk for the first time in 3 years. In Q1 of 2025, GDP fell by 0.3%. This unexpected downturn has everyone talking. Experts are analyzing the causes and potential impacts. Could this be a temporary blip or a sign of bigger issues? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into what this means for you. For more insights, follow along and stay informed.
What's behind this economic shift? A resurgence of Trump-era tariffs is one factor. Lower exports to China are also playing a role, and there's a noticeable drop in business investment. These elements are reshaping the economic landscape. It's a complex situation with global implications. Understanding these changes is crucial for businesses. Stay informed to navigate these economic challenges. For more insights, keep following our updates.
Here's economist Dr. Lisa Raymond explaining the concern. Step 1. Understand the economic indicators and their implications. Step 2. Analyze the potential impact on everyday life. Step 3. Consider the long-term effects on the market. Dr. Raymond breaks it down so we can all grasp the situation. Stay informed and make educated decisions. Use code ECON20 for a discount on Dr. Raymond's latest book, or stay in the dark. Your choice.
It's not a full-blown recession yet, but a decline like this is a flashing yellow light. If Q2 follows the same path, it'll be time to worry. Economists are watching closely, analyzing every trend and indicator. The market's unpredictable, but staying informed is key. Let's hope for a turnaround, but prepare for what's next. Stay vigilant, stay informed.
So, is this the beginning of a downturn or just a bump in the road? We'll watch Q2 closely. Markets are unpredictable, but staying informed is key. Analyzing trends, adapting strategies, and making informed decisions. That's how we navigate uncertainty. Stay tuned for updates. Let's see what Q2 reveals.
Number 2, Wall Street is buzzing today. Tech giants just released their earnings, and it's good news. Investors are celebrating as stocks soar. The rally is led by impressive performances from major tech companies. Analysts are optimistic about the future of tech. This could be a turning point for the market. If you're into stocks, now's the time to pay attention. Stay tuned for more updates on this financial surge. Despite the GDP news, Wall Street is booming. Why? Tech earnings are through the roof. Investors are thrilled with the latest reports. Tech giants are leading the charge, driving growth. It's a tech-driven rally, defying economic concerns. The market's optimism is palpable, fueled by innovation. Stay tuned as the tech sector continues to surprise. Wall Street's resilience is a testament to tech's power. Keep an eye on those tech stocks. They're the ones to watch. Microsoft and Meta just crushed it, beating analysts' expectations. The Nasdaq, it jumped a solid 2.2%. Investors are buzzing and tech stocks are on fire. This could be a game changer for the market. Stay tuned, because this rally might just be the start. It's a tale of two economies. Main Street may be slowing, but Silicon Valley's still flying. While local shops feel the pinch, Tech giants are soaring to new heights. Innovation and investment fuel the valley, while Main Street battles rising costs. It's a world of contrasts where opportunity and challenge coexist. So, where do you see the future heading? Comment below with your thoughts. Investors are buzzing about AI, cloud computing, and productivity tools, but is it just hype or the future of innovation? Let's dive in. AI is transforming industries, cloud computing is the backbone of modern business, and productivity tools are reshaping how we work. The confidence is real, and the potential is massive. Are you ready to invest in the future? Stay ahead of the curve and explore these opportunities. The tech revolution is here, and it's time to be part of it. Links in bio to learn more about these exciting trends.
Number 3, spending and inflation. Just when I thought I could finally save some money. Fantastic. Tried budgeting apps, cutting back on lattes, even tried to manifest lower prices. Spoiler, none of it worked. Then I found this strategy. I was skeptical but also desperate, so here we are. Implemented it, stuck to the plan, and boom! Finally seeing my savings grow despite inflation. If your wallet is feeling the squeeze, trust me, you need this. Click the link and thank me later.
Next up, the consumer update. In March, personal income rose by 0.5%, and spending, it went up by 0.7%. What does this mean for you? More money in your pocket and more spending power. Stay tuned for more economic insights. Keep an eye on your finances and make informed decisions. The economy is moving, and so should you. Stay informed, stay ahead.
Oh, sounds good, right? But inflation is also rising, eating into real purchasing power. Tried budgeting, cutting back, even skipping my morning coffee. Spoiler, it's tough out there. Every dollar counts, and yet prices keep climbing higher. If you're feeling the pinch, trust me, you're not alone. Stay informed and plan smart. Families are spending more these days, but not always getting more. It's inflation-driven consumption, and it's hitting hard. We try to keep up, buying what we need and sometimes what we want. But the prices keep climbing, and our wallets feel the strain. It's a balancing act, trying to make every dollar count. Yet, we push on, hoping for better days. In the meantime, we adapt, we adjust, and we keep moving forward. Because that's what families do, even when the going gets tough. Stay strong, and remember, you're not alone in this. My paycheck's the same, but groceries? Way more expensive. Every trip to the store feels like a math test I didn't study for. I used to grab what I needed without a second thought. Now I'm comparing prices like it's my new hobby. I feel squeezed, like I'm stretching every dollar to its limit. It's a balancing act, and I'm just trying to stay upright. If you're feeling the pinch too, you're not alone. We're all in this together, trying to make it work. Remember when tariffs were a thing of the past? Well, they're back, and they're hitting hard. Here's how these tariffs are silently impacting you. Imported goods? Yeah, they're about to cost you more. Think twice before that next online shopping spree. Businesses are feeling the pinch, and so will your wallet. It's time to rethink those spending habits. Stay informed, stay prepared. Tag a friend who needs to hear this. Your future self will thank you for being proactive.
Let's talk politics. The Trump administration has reintroduced tariffs. Key imports like auto parts are affected. This move could impact prices and jobs. Supporters say it protects American industries. Critics argue it could hurt consumers. What do you think about these tariffs? Are they a necessary protection or a costly mistake? Comment below with your thoughts.
Oh, perfect. A new policy, right before the auto industry needed it most. Amazing. Tried everything. Tariffs, incentives, even international negotiations. Spoiler, none of it worked. Then we found this. We were skeptical but also desperate, so here we are. Implemented it, watched the results, and boom, U.S. manufacturing is thriving again. If your industry is struggling, trust me, you need this. Click the link and thank me later. Tariffs are meant to protect, but at what cost? Critics argue they might backfire, raising prices for you and me. Imagine paying more for everyday items. And what about the supply chain? Friction there could mean delays and shortages. Is the protection worth the potential pain? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Saw this all over my FYP, but is it actually worth the hype? Let's find out. Segment 5, California's Economic Surge. Expectations high. Praying for a breakthrough. Day 7. Okay, wait, is that progress? Jobs are increasing. Not a miracle yet, but we're getting somewhere. Day 30. Wait, unemployment down. Growth unmatched. Confidence activated. Okay, yeah, I'm impressed. Join the Hack Cali Surge Challenge and share your success story.
Here's a bright spot. California has officially overtaken Germany. That's right, it's now the world's fourth largest economy. From tech innovation to entertainment, California's leading the way. It's not just sunshine and beaches, it's economic power. This milestone shows the strength and potential of the Golden State. So, next time you think of California, remember it's a global powerhouse. Stay tuned for more updates on this economic giant.
Thanks to tech, clean energy, and entertainment, the Golden State is booming. From Silicon Valley innovations to Hollywood magic, California is leading the way. Solar panels and wind farms are transforming our energy landscape, and the entertainment industry is thriving, bringing joy to millions. It's a new era of growth and opportunity in California. Join us as we celebrate the Golden State's bright future. Saw this all over my FYP, but is it actually worth the hype? Let's find out. Day 1. California's innovation? Just starting. Expectations? High. Hoping for a breakthrough. Day 7. Okay, wait, is that progress? Growth feels real. Not a miracle yet, but we're getting somewhere. Day 30. Wait, emissions? Reduced. Economy? Thriving. Confidence? Activated. Okay, yeah, I'm impressed. Join the Hack Cali Growth Challenge and witness the transformation.
Consumer confidence is taking a hit. Shoppers are feeling the pinch. Rising prices, uncertain jobs, and economic jitters are shaking trust. People are holding back, saving more, spending less on non-essentials. Retailers are feeling the squeeze as foot traffic slows and sales dip. It's a cycle of caution and concern. Will confidence bounce back soon? Only time will tell.
Even with rising spending, Americans are nervous. Consumer confidence has hit its lowest point since 2022. It's like we're all holding our breath, waiting for the next shoe to drop. Despite the spending, there's this underlying tension. People are cautious, wondering if the economy will stabilize. It's a strange time, balancing optimism with uncertainty. We keep spending, hoping for the best, but the anxiety is palpable, affecting every decision. In times like these, staying informed is crucial. Stay tuned for updates and navigate these uncertain waters with us.
Just what we need, more uncertainty. People are worried about job security, interest rates, and political division. Tried everything, budgeting, voting, even meditation. Spoiler, none of it worked. Then I found this community. I was skeptical but also desperate, so here we are. Joined in, shared my concerns, and boom. Felt like I actually have a support system. If you're feeling overwhelmed, trust me, you need this. Click the link and thank me later.
I'm cutting back on travel and big purchases, just trying to play it safe and be smart with my money. It's not easy, but it's necessary right now. I've realized that experiences don't always have to be extravagant. Sometimes the best moments are the simplest ones. So, here's to finding joy in the little things and making the most of what we have. It's a new mindset, but I'm embracing it. Join me on this journey of simplicity and mindfulness. Segment 7. Oil prices fall. What does this mean for you? Lower prices at the pump could be on the horizon, but how does this impact the economy overall? Cheaper oil can mean lower costs for businesses. This might lead to reduced prices on goods and services. However, it could also affect oil industry jobs. Stay informed to see how these changes might affect your wallet.
Next, energy. Oil prices have fallen sharply this month due to global demand concerns. This drop is causing a ripple effect across industries. Consumers are seeing lower prices at the pump, but what does it mean long term? Experts suggest this could lead to a shift in energy strategies worldwide. As countries reassess their energy needs, renewable sources might gain traction. The market is unpredictable, but one thing's for sure: change is on the horizon. Stay informed and watch how this impacts your daily life. For more updates, keep following our channel.
Gas prices are dropping, and while that means cheaper fill-ups now, it also signals broader economic slowdown worries. Sure, saving at the pump feels great, but what does it mean for the economy? Experts say it could be a sign of reduced demand. So, while we enjoy the savings, let's keep an eye on the bigger economic picture. Stay informed and plan ahead. For more insights, follow along.
OPEC is watching closely, and so are U.S. producers. The global oil market is on edge, waiting for the next move. Will production cuts continue, or will there be a shift? U.S. producers are ready to respond, adapting to every change. The stakes are high, and every decision impacts the economy. Energy prices could soar or stabilize, affecting us all. Stay informed because this story is far from over. Keep an eye on the headlines for the latest updates. The energy landscape is evolving, and we're all part of it.
The Fed's in a bind, and it's a big deal. Balancing inflation and growth? Not easy. Raising rates could slow the economy, but not acting might let inflation run wild. It's a tightrope walk with huge stakes. Every decision impacts your wallet. Stay tuned, because this affects us all.
The Federal Reserve is in a tight spot, caught between high inflation and slowing growth. Just fantastic. They've tried everything: interest rate hikes, quantitative easing, even some unconventional policies. Spoiler, it's a tough balance. Now they're stuck, and we're all watching closely. So here we are, waiting for the next move. Will they raise rates and risk a recession, or hold steady and let inflation run its course? If you're worried about the economy, trust me, stay informed. Keep an eye on the news and brace yourself for what's next. Let's settle this. Cut rates to stimulate growth, or hold them high to fight inflation? Lower rates, boost spending, fuel growth. Higher rates, curb spending, control inflation. Tried both. Saw growth spurts, inflation spikes, still no perfect balance. Then I found a strategy. Balance is key. Adapt to the economy's needs. Growth and stability. The ultimate goal. So what's your take on rates? Comment below, or just find the right balance already.
Markets are buzzing. Everyone's talking about a policy pivot. Investors are on edge, waiting for the signal. Will it be this month, next month, or later? The timing is uncertain and the stakes are high. Some say it's overdue. Others say patience is key. But one thing's for sure: when it happens, it'll shake things up. So, are you ready for the pivot? Stay tuned and keep your eyes on the market. Oh, great! Another headline about recession risks, just when I thought the economy was stabilizing. Fantastic! I've read all the articles, listened to the experts, even tried to predict the market myself. Spoiler, I'm still worried. Then I found this analysis. I was skeptical, but also curious. So, here we are. Read it, thought it over, and boom! Finally felt like I understood what's happening. If the economy's got you stressed, trust me, you need this. Click the link and get some peace of mind.
Economists are now warning of a potential recession. What does this mean for you and your wallet? Job security might be at risk, and prices could rise even more. It's time to tighten the budget and rethink those big purchases. Start saving where you can and keep an eye on the market. Stay informed, stay prepared. How are you planning to navigate this? Share your thoughts below.
Some predict a stagflation scenario, low growth, high inflation. Sound familiar? That's the 1970s all over again. Back then, the economy was stuck. Prices soared, and everyone felt the pinch. Fast forward to today, and it seems like deja vu. But hey, history has lessons, right? Let's hope we learn from them this time. Stay informed, stay prepared. Click the link to dive deeper into this economic flashback.
Oh, perfect. A breakout, right before I have to be seen by actual humans. Amazing. Tried everything, fancy creams, weird DIY hacks, even manifesting clear skin. Spoiler, none of it worked. Then I found this. I was skeptical but also desperate, so here we are. Put it on, went to bed, and boom, woke up looking like I actually take care of my skin. If your skin is betraying you, trust me, you need this. Click the link and thank me later. Finally, what does the road ahead look like? Deloitte projects slow but steady growth through the end of 2025. It's a journey, not a sprint. Expect gradual progress, but progress nonetheless. By 2025, we anticipate a stronger, more resilient economy. Stay tuned for the transformation. Join us as we navigate this path to growth. I'm about to put you on to 3 key sectors to watch. These industries are shaping our future. Sector number 1, artificial intelligence. It's revolutionizing everything. From healthcare to entertainment, AI is the game changer. Sector number 2, renewable energy. Clean power is the future. Solar, wind, and beyond, it's time to go green. Sector number 3, housing. Innovative solutions are emerging. Affordable, sustainable living is the new trend. Which sector are you most excited about? Or did I just make you rethink your investment strategy? Be honest. Let's settle this. What's the best way to navigate global challenges? Policy choices, impactful but complex geopolitics, influential but unpredictable collaboration, essential but challenging, tried everything, negotiated, strategized, still faced uncertainty. Then I embraced collaboration, solutions emerged, less stress, more progress, balanced approach, sustainable outcomes, actual success. So, what's your strategy for global issues? Comment below or just start collaborating already.
So, are we headed toward recovery or recession? The signals are mixed. Some say the economy's bouncing back. Others warn of a downturn. But the stakes are high. Jobs, savings, futures, all hang in the balance. It's a waiting game, and we're all in it together. Stay informed. Stay prepared. What's your take? Comment below and join the conversation.
We'll be here every week breaking it down for you. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think is the biggest economic challenge America faces in 2025? Is it inflation, unemployment, or maybe something else entirely? Let's dive into the issues that matter most to you. Some say it's the rising cost of living. Others point to the national debt or income inequality. Whatever it is, it's time to have a conversation. Share your thoughts and let's explore solutions together. Comment below and let's get the discussion started.